Unleash the full potential of your Philips Airfryer by downloading the free Philips Kitchen Plus app through this QR code or the link down below. You'll be able to discover hundreds of tasty recipes and explore features to strengthen your cooking skills and make homemade meals that you and your family will love. Now let me walk you through the app. First, select which model air fryer you have. Then, Kitchen Plus will build a customized homepage where you can explore the latest recipes, articles, tips, tricks, and more. In the Recipes tab, you can search by accessory, meal, cuisine, occasion, special diets like vegan and gluten-free, and most importantly, how much time you have to cook. So if you're looking for something quick, we'll be able to show you the best seasonal recipes that are ready for your air fryer. You can also find my recipes by searching my name, like my easy red velvet cake, all my pizzas, my chicken wings. Over in articles, you can read guides on how to prepare the best holiday-specific meals and get the most out of your air fryer. What are you going to make with your Philips air fryer? Show us on social media by tagging Philips Airfryer, and I can't wait to see what you post. So get into the kitchen, let the app be your guide, and welcome to the Philips family.